Today you will learn how to use eraser, paint, select material, line and freehand tool in SketchUp. In my earlier video, you saw different ways with which you can select elements. If you haven't, then I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Eraser. You can see this is available here. When you have selected the tool, the cursor changes to eraser. This tool is pretty simple. Just click on the object you don't want and it will be erased from the model. So you saw how easy it is. Next is paint tool. When you click on paint tool icon, two tools will pop out. The one with the paint bucket icon is the paint tool and another with a dropper icon is for selecting sample material. Let's use the paint tool first. So the moment I selected the paint tool, you can see on the right hand side this material panel popped out automatically. From here we can select the type of material we want to paint our model with. There are different kind of materials. We can see the whole lot of list when we click on the browse button here. 3D painting, brick, color, glass and mirror, metal, stone, wood are the different kind of categories to select from. Let me select one from the metal and show you how this works. So as you can see, the face of the object seems metallic when we paint it with the metal material. Now let me select one from the landscaping. Let's check out this fence. So this kind of fence can be used in landscaping model. Let me show you one from glass. This helps in making the partition transparent. So you can see how beautiful the glass effect is. Now I will select one color. As you can see, I have a color selected and if I click on this face, the face gets painted with the selected color. But if I want to select any other material from model itself, then I can use this select material tool which lies under the paint tool. And with the select material tool, I can select the material from the model I want by clicking on it. Once the material is selected, the select material tool automatically turns into paint tool as you can see, and we can then just click on the face we want to apply the selected material. Let us move on to line tool. The pencil icon tool here in the toolbar is line tool. When I click on this, unlike paint tool, this also has two tools hidden within. One with pencil icon is the line tool. This will help us in drawing straight lines with accurate measurements. And the other with the wavy line icon is freehand tool. You will find this useful if you are good at freehand drawing. Let us see these tools one by one. You just need to left mouse click and without leaving the click button, drag the mouse in the direction you wish to in order to draw your shape. You can see that I have made this shape and the area where all the lines are connected automatically got a face, whereas the area where the lines are not connected remained as I had drawn. Now let me connect these two dots and you saw as soon as the shape got completed, it got filled with the face. Now let us see the line tool. This also works on the similar ground, but unlike freehand, you can give exact measurement to the line tool according to your need. You just need to left mouse click and leave the click button. Now, when I move my mouse, you can see that the line right now is of green color. This indicates that the line will be drawn in line with the green axis. Similarly, blue axis and red axis. And the black indicates that this is not in line with any of these axes. Now if I want the length of my line to be of 10 feet, then I just need to move my mouse in the direction I want to draw the line and type 10 and single quote, which stands for feet, and hit enter. And I have a line of 10 feet. Now let me make a complete square. So I have a vertical square created with the lines and the shape automatically got filled as soon as all the lines got connected. Now let me create similar square in all the sides to convert this into a cube. and my cube is ready. This was just to show you how you can use line tool. However, there is a different way of creating the cube. I can create the square with rectangle tool of 10 feet by 10 feet, and then with the help of push-pull tool, I can pull it up to 10 feet to make this a cube. But I'll explain all these tools in detail in my upcoming videos. I hope you got a hang on how to use eraser, paint, select material, line and freehand tool in SketchUp. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.